Yesterday's done. Let's do water heater. See this video how to repair this in my YouTube channel.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know I do.
Ganito sir, yung
I've been running shit right.
ito yung lumang board, nasira yung sensor naman na dito sa tubig, ayaw tumuloy. Nagda-drop yung voltahe galing dito sa board. Yung bago naman na binili ng board, nasira, gawang shorted ng mga wiring, masyadong excited yung technician, marami pang shorted na wiring. Nasira naman ang board nun sa sensor ng tubig, kaya siya nag 1C UCE na alarm. Kahit search na sa Google yung 1C or 1C yun sir, 1C Yun yung alarm mo sa tubig. Nasira yung board, yung bagong mong bili, nasira yung board sa gawa ng ito, shorted ng mga wiring. Excited lang talaga na kabit.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I'll get after it. That shit is my own song, 'cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots.
Let's do LED TVs.
For today mga sir, it's about
Sweating, I never back up. I don't miss a thing.
Samsung model number.
Never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison. Need some man.
Sa kabila yung model number. Samsung 50 inches, model number UA50RU7100G. Alright, blank image na mga sir, ano? Blank image, ano? Yan, mostly blank image, panel issue. May shorted yung panel niya, kaya wala siyang palabas. Okay, testing natin. Alright, testing. Sana matsambahan. So design to mga sir, ano, design sa mga carb na nabuksan natin. Screwless. Screw niya isa, dalawa, apat na ata ito sa kanyang what you call this one, sa kanyang paa. Tapos clip na lang sa gilid. So papakita din natin ano paano magbukas sa mga baguhan. Tsaka sa YouTube ko nakatatlo na akong ganito or dalawa na screwless na mga carb na Samsung. Ito hindi siya carb, yung Aryo. Okay, bubuksan na natin. Alright, bubuksan na natin. Pakita ko lang yung paa. Tsaka dito naman ako sa kabilang paa. So yun mga sir, ano, apat lang yung screw nya nakasama sa dalawang paa nya. Yan, yan. Bali kabilaan, left and right. So pabaklasin na natin via special tools natin. Ito, dito tayo gagamit ng mga metal. Pangatlong bukas ko na po itong mga ganitong type na screwless. Scroll nyo lang dyan sa YouTube ko. At saka itong ano po to, sa hindi pa nakapanood dyan, please subscribe, comment down below kung saan to nabibili. I-share ko sa inyo saan to nabibili yung special tools na to. Kagandahan kasi ito, hindi nakakabasag ng glass. Okay, start natin doon sa kanto. Turo ko sa inyo paano. Of course yung pinakakanto doon, kung hindi kasya to, sinusungkit kasi doon mga sir sa dulo bago i-anoin ng mahaba, isisikotin ng mahaba. So papakita ko. Yes, that's it, ano. Tapos dito mga sir, dito sa gilid na to, sa pinakasulok, kasi nandito yung pinaka flex nya or pinaka chip on flex ng ating panel. So dapat ingatan nyo banda rito, hindi kayo magmamadali. Ito mga kagandahan kasi nakakapasok siya dun sa kanyang sa looban niya talaga, tapos na titwist mo siya. Ito kagandahan ng ating device. Dati bala ko pa itong ibebenta sa inyo pero hindi na kasi mura lang din naman to. So abala lang sa pa-shipping ng LBC. Ang tangi ko lang hinihiling is comment down below, subscribe kung saan ko ito nabibili. Alright mga sir.
Short video on how to troubleshoot Devant Model 50CB520 blue and red light indicator only.
Ayaw tumuloy. Wala rin backlight.
First we think this trouble is malfunction mainboard. So we try mainboard direct replace. But the same blue and red only. And we try power supply board. And it's working. I checked already the capacitor or the power supply. No blotted. We suspected inverter IC damaged, so decided to hold power supply to change.
I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life.
So ayun nga mga sir, kaya ko lang naman na-record to. Kaya ko lang naman na ipakwento rito sa aking YouTube na yung dala-dala pala natin na board is Devant din, pero pang 55 inches. Devant na 55 CB520. Pwede pala yan dyan guys. Pwede pala dyan sa 50 CB520 na model ng Devant. So kaya ko lang naman po for the record, para na rin guide sa mga baguhan or sa mga mag-home service na wala tayong parts ng 50 inches, pwede pala yung pang 55 na Devant. So na-record para for the history, for the record ng ating video, kaya natin in-upload dito sa ating YouTube para hindi na rin magtambak sa aking cellphone, para maituro na rin sa inyo o maituro sa mga baguhan na pwede pala ang ganitong uri.
This is home service at Fairwood Subdivision. I'm Miss Kaviti.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
Papatayin talaga. Hindi niya inano. Kinancel ko lang po yung signal dito banda. Itong may sakit na kasi ito eh. Tinan mo magaspang.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Alfred.
Oo, yung
Kita yung bilog-bilog.
backlight pa.
Dahil nakarayta.
Kahit po i-ano natin siya, ngayon ilalagyan natin siya ngayon ng ano. Meron pa rin yung bilog-bilog po. Nasa backlight na nilagay niya ang diferensya. Pero yun nga lang, pwede mo na siyang patayin sa remote. Matotal shutdown na niya. Ito kasing relay po na ano sa kanya. Kaya baka hindi pa po na lapatan yung ano niya. Titingnan ko pa kung anong ano po.
Sige, tingnan mo kasi nakita mo. Ngayon, sabi ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Boy.
Installed relay. Shut down his backlight. This is the inverter backlights that last technician installed. We installed relay to shut down his backlights.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11 is time for progression. Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt.
Kanya ako sa restore sa aking page. Kung kailan natin ano yan. Thank you. Kung kailan natin siya nagawa. Pinapile ko kasi sa page ko po.
He's been looking for somebody who could save him. Instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives. You create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people.
Our next at our shop with our customer to his Devon 50 fell at home, ma'am.
People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Here is our customer for the last 6 months of 2022.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Nasa 10.1 kilograms lang pala ito, ma'am. Testing na ngayon para mamaya is dedikapin nyo na lang. Yung ugali nito, ma'am, is mag-spin muna pagkasalang kasi, ma'am, power on. Hindi, salang muna ng damit, power on, tapos direction na lang ng start agad. Wala na kayong i-operate dito kasi baka maligaw pa yan, katulad niya ng may child lock to. Pag baka ma-child lock nito, hindi nyo na maipindot yan. So gugulo pa. Ang ano nito is power on, tapos start na lang agad siya na bahala mag-kilo. Tapos hayaan nyo na lang kasi siguro mag-start na yan, magkakarga na ng tubig yan, katulad niya. May na nga lang dito tubig sa lugar namin. Ewan ko lang matatapos ng washing niya ngayon. At yun nga po, pagka start niya, iikot pa pala, iikot siya. Iikot mo na siya na isang beses, bali i-divide niya kasi yung mga damit, i-ano niya, mapasa niya gilid-gilid bago siya mag-under ng tubig, bago siya magkakarga ng tubig. So yun, testing sana makatapos. Napakahina pa talaga ng tubig dito sa lugar ko. Napuputol kasi yung tubig ko mga 7 o'clock na. Mabilis mawala ng tubig ko dito sa lugar. Sana makatapos. Basta icon 40 inches ata ito. Try natin. May power, release na power. Ayun, release nyo. Corrupted yung kabilang gilid. Alright, try this one. Eto na naman tayo mga sir, sa icon na to. Ganong kabila lang may display. Eto na naman, oh, hindi pa natin nabubuksan. Nakita ko sa inyo na hindi pa nabubuksan. Yan, nasilyado pa, oh. Silyado pa yung tape, hindi pa nakaangat. Ayun, kaya nasabi ko na, ito na naman tayo. Ito, bago tayo mag-proceed doon, sana masurvive pa natin ito. Kasi po, yun nga ang sinasabi ko, pag may alaga kayong pusa, ayun ang kalaban nun. Ito po, kitang kita na agad nandito. Hindi ko pa alam na may alagang pusa sina sir. Ano, ang daming balaybo. Yan, no? Yan, daming balaybo. So kita ko na agad yung salarin. So kanina ganyan siya, di ba? So ngayon tinaob natin, ganyan. So dito ang mas maraming balaybo. So ibig sabihin dito nagstay ang pusa. Tapos ito ang nadali niya ang chip on flex na tinatawag namin. So yun, no, nakasilyado po. So bahala na kung anong mangyari, ha. Sana makasurvive pa ito. Kasi madalang lang po talaga nakaka-survive sa pag may alaga kang pusa. Alright, friendly advice na naman again and again. Kung papakita ng silyado pa, ayan o, silyado pa. Ayan, tayo pa lang magbubukas. Alright. So tama lang yung sagot ko sa may-ari na 50-50 magagawa ang TV. Yan, pinapakita ko lang dito na tayo pa lang magbubukas. Alright, sana matsambahan pa, sana buhay pa yung chip on flex. Kasi siya tinatawag na chip on flex kasi may chip nga siya sa flex. Andito yung chip niya sa loob po. So pag naiiyan yan dyan, yung panel mo sa harapan, aagos dito sa chip on flex natin, aangat yung pagkakahinang niya dyan. And hindi na namin yan magagawa kasi ang gumagawa po niyan is machine na. Hindi na po kaya ng tao. So may tinatawag kami na bonding machine. So mahal po yun. Hindi naman mahal kung idadalhin mo pa sa kanilang shop, malayo. So kung pag local lang yung TV nyo, it's a useless pa na dadalhin doon kasi lost time. Maliban sa mahal, para ka na lang, depende sa inyo. Alright, try natin. Bubuksan ko na. So yun na nga mga sir, to make a story short, ito na ang nangyari. Ito na sir, daldal ko sunog, ayun, sunog. So pagkadating ni customer, interviewin natin, hulaan agad natin na i-confirm natin yung hula ko na may alaga silang meow, ay cat pala. Yan mga sir, sunog yan kasi aagos kasi yung acid dyan. Kaya yung tawag namin na chip on flex. So chip na may flex. Ayan, sa kabila medyo okay pa, oh. Kaya medyo okay pa yung display sa kabila, pero may guhit na rin. So ang ganitong sakit mga sir is tawag namin isira na yung panel. Change panel na po. Pag change panel na po, para kayong bumili ng bago, ang presyo, so depende sa technician. Kung meron siyang stock second-hand, medyo makakamura kayo, medyo pwede pang gagawin. Pero sa akin, in advance, lalo na to gamit na pag nakita mo pang kung ilang years na ito, medyo medyo mapapansin mo yung board, medyo medyo crunchy na. Crunchy na kasi mga sir, pag sinearch mo to sa Facebook or hindi sa Facebook, sa YouTube is my lifespan ng ating backlight. Palagi ko pang binibilin sa aking YouTube and page na may lifespan po yung backlight. Kahit po search ninyo sa Google na lifespan ng LED or LED TV, so ibig sabihin gamit na po yung backlight. So pag pinalitan mo po to ang panel, buong panel, gagastos ka na po sa panel and another siguro mga 1 to 3 years bibigay na naman ang backlight. So another gastos na naman, so para kayong bumili ng bago. So maigi, bili bago or bili second hand, bili kayo ng siganan sa mga technician, sa may mga mahabang warranty katulad dito sa shop. Nag-warranty po ako ng 1 year sa TV para sulit yung pera ng mga may-ari. Para sakaling bumigay man, pwedeng palitan, pwedeng sa uli yung 50% kung ayaw nyo nang papalitan na, kung nagsawa na kayo dyan sa TV na yan, or pwede palitan naman ng another TV, another warranty na naman ng 1 year. So palit lang ng palit. So parang nagdagdag lang kayo ng pera, parang cellphone sa Muslim, para nagsaswap kayo ng cellphone. Dagdag lang kayo ng ganito. Alright, tama na yung daldal, bla bla bla. Kasi ganito ka mga sir, mga lifespan nito, yan. Yan ang backlight niya sa loob. Isang pahabang ganyan. Pag hindi nakailaw niyan, yan mga yan nakasabit. Yan. So pag binuksan natin to, which paras lang nang ginagamit na part sa ating ilaw sa bahay. So yung ilaw natin sa bahay naabot lang, di ba, ng mga 4 years, 5 years, medyo madidim na naman. Tapos nadidim, yung iba kumukurap-kurap, tapos saka na mapupundi. Yan lang mga sir, palaging binibilin sa mga bagong nasisiraan pa lang na TV. Yun ang lagi kong ina-explain sa mga aking customer. Alright, thank you. Thanks. Ayun nga po sir, speaking of availability sir, ito ang kanyang IC ang nasira. Ito IC na magti-trigger ito sa kanyang transformer sa primary, papunta na dito sa secondary para masasuplayan niya ang kanyang board. Ito po ang kanyang board yan, para masasuplayan niya yung area yan dito sa secondary. Sira po tong IC na to. Ito yung magti-trigger ng lahat-lahat ng system mo para mabuhay mo ito ang kanyang transformer. Tapos sira din itong IC nitong maliit din dito, para dito sa mga kanyang IC transistor, papunta na yun dyan sa kanyang transformer. Ito yung IC din na yun na maliit. Ito may posibilidad minsan na fluctuation ng dahilan o gumapang yung voltahe. Ito sira din ito. So yun nga sir, speaking of availability, kasi nga yung ibang TV, mayroon pa ako dyan sa page ko, SMD Electronics, nare-repair pa namin, nare-repair ko pa. Pag nakita ko po ulit yung mga sira-sira lang, mga diode lang, pag nakita ko pa ulit, i-share ko sa inyo. Pero kung gusto nyong mga sample ng video na nakagawa na talaga ng power supply, scroll nyo lang po ang page ko na SMD Electronics. Kasi nga nakaraan, nakapag-upload din ako na repair ng Diban, Sony, nakapag-repair na tayo ng power supply, Samsung, nakapag-upload na rin tayo sa ating YouTube. So yun nga sir, speaking of availability, wala na tayong magagawa kasi wala itong availability, walang available nitong IC na to. Kahit ikutin mo yung buong raon, google ka lang ng oras, wala. So palit talaga ng buong power supply. Ang gagastusin natin dito sir is detect mo na lang po sa okay.
Moving time? What do you mean? Huh? Didn't Mirabelle tell you? We're moving to the beach. Excuse me, pardon me. Moving to the beach? I'm gonna miss my best friend. Oh. Hey, what's going on? Louisa just told me the bad news. Oh no, what bad news?
Para tumagal pa yung lifespan, bawasan natin sa kanyang masakit din sa mata. Sakit sa mata ng bata. Kaya di mainit yung parts, palagi itong binili niya na mga 30% na pwede contrast set na taas. Sa kanya mga 90 pa yun. Oo na, 87. Tapos yung yun lang bantayan palagi yung brightness, saka yung naka 30% na pa yun. Wala siyang backlight sleeping. Pero yun yung palagi sa hindi masakit sa mata. Buwasan pa natin konti pa. Masakit sa mata. Para tumagal yung lifespan ng backlight. So yung dito pwede na.
Wow, Isabella, you sure did pack a lot of stuff. I know. I just want to make sure I have enough outfit for every day that we're at the beach house. How many suitcases are you bringing, Mirabelle? Just this one right over here. One? Yeah, one, but it's a big one. Do you need help packing?
Buti na lang nadala po sa reverser. Ito po, pinalitan natin. Nilakyan na natin ng diode para medyo tumagal. Sira lang po ng diode. Iksi ng saksakan pero may ilaw na sa. Yan, buti na lang po. Nakatipid. Iksi ng saksakan.